Oil paint is used for painting of wood and metals. This is acid resin. This is acid resin. This is what makes it to be thick. This is the thickener that it has. So you now add kerosene or petrol as solvent. The other time we've been using water, but now there is nothing like water here. So as you put the solvent, you stir until it melts, until the whole thing melts. So as you can see, it is melting. It has started melting this thing. So you can also, at this point, if you want to produce it with color, you can add color pigment here, titanium dioxide. So as the thing is melting, it is dissolving this one. This is titanium dioxide. Why you use titanium dioxide for oil paint is for coverage also. Like I told you, this thing is what gives the thing coverage. So as you are stirring now, it is also dissolving the titanium dioxide that you put. If you are doing colored paint, what you are doing, this one is white paint. You can see it will be very white after the production. So if you want to also make it colored, this is at the time you add your color too, so that everything will dissolve at the same time. It has dissolved, but it is still very thick. So for you can add more of the solvent, maybe kerosene, to reduce the viscosity. Then at this point,